Okay. Swept blend means, see, sweep blend combination we called as a swept blend. Okay, in blend condition we need two profiles, sweep condition we need one path. In sweep we have one path now, that path at the same time blend profiles. Okay, combination you call as a swept blend. In swept blend condition we need one path and two profiles, two cross sections. Okay, you can remember this point. In blend condition we are using only two profiles. Okay, in sweep condition we are using one profile and one path, but in swept blend condition we are using two profiles and one path. Okay, how can we draw same as well as sweep type? Here also you can select swept blend. When you selected swept blend, automatically coming same as well as sweep type, asking your path first. Click on sketch path and you can draw your path. Okay, for example this is my path. See, here we have two indications, this is one reference, this is one reference, 2 points is there. I completed my path. Here definitely you need open profile, closed profiles is not applicable in. Why means we have two different path na, sorry, two different sections na, that condition definitely you need open. Okay. When you drawn this, automatically highlighted this, select profile 1, select profile 2. For example this is 1, this is 2. Okay, now you can select profile 1 and click on edit profile, same as well as sweep type, you can select your profile and click on edit profile, but here you need to select two times. Okay, these all are possibilities. Okay, now we have number of possibilities. Now you can select any possibility and click on open view. Okay, when you mentioned automatically here not displayed, now that condition you can press ZE, automatically display. Now you can draw your requirement. For example, my requirement here to here, this is my requirement. If you need to draw at center you can draw center, if you need to draw at corner you can draw corner. That is your requirement. Finish. Again you will take select profile to edit profile to. Okay, now you can draw your small profile. If you need same profiles you can use same profile, if you need different you can use different. Finish. Finish. See, now go to view 3D. See, okay, this side we have large shape and this side we have short shape na. Okay, this type of situation you can use swept blends. For example, I need to change my profiles. How can we change my profiles? Okay, I need to edit this one. For example, here you have rectangle, here you have rectangle, both sides you have rectangle na? I need to edit this too, means both sides I need circles, or one side I need rectangle, one side I need circle. How can we apply that editing? Means just you can select your model first. Okay, after selecting model, go to edit swept blend. Okay, in this icon automatically if you need to edit your path, your profiles, I need to edit my profiles now. Now you can select profile 1 and click on edit profile. Okay, go to front. Okay, I am deleting this and I will draw rectangle at center. Okay, now finish. Okay, again select profile to edit profile to. I don't need this one, delete. Again I need here circle, directly can draw circle and finish. Finish. Then you can see now. Okay, based on your requirement you can draw your profile as starting and ending. Okay, here also same as well as blend rules applicable. In blend rules condition loop in loop profiles not applicable na? Okay, here also loop in loop is not applicable. Okay, but sweep condition loop in loop is applicable and extrusion condition loop in loop applicable, but blend condition swept blend condition not applicable. You can remember the 2 points here. Okay. This is swept blend. Okay, if you need to create any type of this type of shapes, for example you will take door handle. Okay, in door handle condition this side we have one shape and this side we have one shape na, that type of situations applicable this one na. Okay, that is your ideology. Okay, where you need to apply this tool is your ideology completely. You can apply based on your ideology any place. Okay, next. Now I completed swept blends also. Okay, now can you write these two tools? Already we completed these 3 nodes, right? Blend, extrusion, sweep. Okay, next you can mention heading revolve. Okay, you can mention heading revolve. Okay, creates a 3D shape, creates a 3D shape, creates a 3D shape by sweeping a 2D profile, creates a 3D shape by sweeping a 2D profile, creates a 3D shape by sweeping a 2D profile around an axis, creates a 3D shape by sweeping a 2D profile around an axis. Again I will tell, creates a 3D shape by sweeping a 2D profile around an axis. Okay, that is called as a revolve. Okay, you can write the procedure of revolve. Go to create tab, go to create tab, select revolve option, select revolve option, draw the required section profile, draw the required section profile, draw the required section profile. Okay, apply axis, apply axis, apply axis, specify constraints. Constraints means you need to specify end angle. We have 360 degree na. If you need 180 or 270, you can change it here. Start and end angles is there na, you can change at that place. You need to changing requirement is there, that condition. Now I need, for example, only 270. You can apply 270 for that, and you can apply OK. Okay, then you can see your 3D model. For example, see, I need to create bottle, that type of situation. Okay, if you need to edit this one, select this one, you can apply 360. Okay, this is our bottle. Okay, this type of conditions. Okay, this is actual process. Finish mode no. Next, can you add this swept blend? Creates heading, side heading, swept blend, swept blend, creates creates a blend, creates a blend that sweeps along a, creates a blend that sweeps along a defined path, creates a blend that sweeps along a defined path, creates a blend that sweeps along a defined path, along a defined path. Okay, go to create tab, select swept blend icon, select swept blend icon. Okay, go to modify tab, go to modify tab, select sketch path, select sketch path, draw the open profile, draw the open profile, click on finish mode, click on finish mode, select profile 1 and click on edit profile, select profile 1 and click on edit profile, and click on edit profile, select required possibility view, select required possibility view from the go to view dialog box, select required possibility view from the go to view dialog box, from the go to view dialog box, draw the closed profile, draw the closed profile or section, draw the closed profile or section, click on finish mode, click on finish mode, select profile 2 and click on edit profile, select profile 2 and click on edit profile, draw the closed section again, draw the closed section again, draw the closed section again, click on finish mode. Okay, click on finish mode. Okay, this is WebBlend. These all are solid forms. Okay, we have two types of forms. First one is solid forms, second one is void forms. If you need solid forms, you can create solid forms. If you need void forms, you can create void forms. When we can apply void forms means definitely you have one solid model, that condition you can apply void form. Why means solid forms means we are adding material to the our 2D profiles or 2D sketches. Okay, void form means that is a removing material from the already existing solids. Okay, when you can use your void forms means definitely we need one solid form, that condition you can use. Why means that is removing material na. Okay, if you have remove material then we can remove. Okay, otherwise not na. That's it. Okay, now we will discuss about void forms. Just you can see here we have void extrusion, void blend, void revolve and void sweep is there na. For example, now first of all we will discuss about void extrusion. Okay, same functions: void extrusion, void blend, void revolve, void sweep and void sweep blend. Void extrusion also we need closed profile. Void blend also, here also we need two profiles. Void revolve condition you can use for designing purpose. Void sweep, same designing purpose. Void swept blend. Okay, now my requirement, I need to use first void extrusion. Void extrusion means, for example, just click on this. Okay, I have one frame. Okay, this is my frame. See, now I completed one profile here. Next, okay, just you can see I selected extrusion. Okay, I completed one closed profile. Again you can mention your constraint height. For example, I need 100. Okay, now you can mention finish, or otherwise if you have any editings you can apply. For example, this is my editing, I need to apply like this condition, delete this one, or otherwise you can come back, you can use same like this and finish. 250 is there. Now if you need to decrease your height, you can mention it here 100. Okay, now you can check once. This is completely solid model, we don't have any holes, right? For example, go here I need to add one more extrusion, create extrusion. Okay, or if you need to edit this one, directly click on edit extrusion. Okay, and you can apply halo, automatically taking halo. That is one procedure. If you need to mention hole or any halo, you can mention like that. Okay, or otherwise I don't need like this, I need to change, or I need to do halo by using void extrusion. Okay, how can we do our void extrusion means, now I will show. Create, here we have void extrusion and void forms. Select this void extrusion and draw your requirement. For example, I need here to here halo space. Okay, then you can draw like this and finish. Okay, then you can see view 3D. Okay na? This type of condition, it is very useful. See, clear na? This is void extrusion, same as well as that type. Next next we will discuss about void blend. Void blend means, for example, I need one lamp. Okay, lamp head, that condition I am creating one big, that height 400. Okay, next edit top, I need one small circle, that is only 120. Finish. Okay, then you can see in view, this is our model now. For example, this model I need halo. Okay, how can we get our halo means, already we know height of this one. How much of height? 400 na. Now I need to do void blend. Okay, same you can select circle. Okay, here I am taking some offset, 25 mm offset. That is I need minus, means inner na, we need some outer you can mention inner. This is my base profile up to this one. See, when you mention 25, minus 25 automatically taking here to here. Okay, again I need here also minus 25. Okay, now you can apply your height 380 or 375. Now sorry, this is top profile na, not a bottom. Click on edit top, you can draw this one. Again you can mention minus 25. Finish. Then you can see your 3D. See, we have like this. If you need to apply any glass or any colors, you can apply. Now we consider as a lamp for this lamp glass. Okay, this type of condition. For example, in this lab I need to create one bulb by using revolve. Okay, that condition you will go to front view. Okay, here I need to create one bulb at this place. I will take a revolve option. For example, this is only for example. Okay, you can leave this. Now select delete, select this one, mirror, you can apply like this. Okay, now you can select. If you need to any adjustments is there, you can adjust. Okay, now you can select. Again you can do mirror. This is our cross section. Now okay, our bulb. If you need any you can add like this, you can add, or otherwise you can remove back. Then you can take one line, you can apply here to here. Okay, now finish. You can check here we have some distance. Go here, select this one and this one. Okay, here we need to draw our axis. Now we missed that one. Now you can draw your axis. Finish. View 3D. Just you can see now 270 is there, you can apply 360 here. Okay, this is our bulb. Okay, now if you need any wall mounted type, just go to front view. This is, we have some type of lights na. We have 2-3 type of lights, ceiling mounted lights and other type of lights is there. Okay, based on your requirement you can select your light also based on your ceiling. Okay, in that condition we are using our 2 or 3 type of lights. What is that means? For example, recessed, unvented and recessed, vented and free handle. This is free handle light. For example, free handle light means just we need one support. Okay, how can we give our support? By using extrusion also we can mention our support, or otherwise you can use sweep also we can mention our support. For example, I need to give direct support. This is free handle type. Free handle type means I will give support from the here. This is my support. You can mention your support like this. Okay, now go here, select profile, edit profile, select required possibility, draw the circle, supporting circle. Okay, now go to view 3D. Okay, you can see once here we need to mention one more finish type. See, means your wall coming at here, your ceiling coming at here, okay, and your slab coming at here. Okay, this is completely slab mounted. Okay, this free type of mounted you can see some buildings also. Okay, that type of situation you can use. This is free handle type, you will consider like this one, this type of lights. Okay, if you need to add anything extra colors or any materials, you can add that material also. Okay, this is completely ideology. Okay, which type you need to create. We have three types of lights actually. One is recessed vented and next thing is recessed unvented, and next one is free handle. What is that means? I will show one. Okay, for example, this is my building. Okay, this is ceiling. Okay, I have light like this ceiling. In some condition we have lights like this, and some condition we can see our lights like this. Like this. Okay, this is free handle, this one. Okay, and this is recessed unvented. Okay, this is recessed vented. Okay, depends upon the that we need to mention which type of you need. Okay, this is free handle, that's why we consider as not a ceiling mounted. Okay, this is our light. Now clear na this one up to here? Is there any doubts in this? We completed now void blend one, at the same time void extrusion. Okay, we completed these two. Tomorrow I will explain these three and one more topic also. Clear? Today you will practice up to here only. I will send a videos to you also. Okay, today you will practice remaining all also. Yesterday I told na, you can practice that all. If you need any example, you will try in Google. We have number of examples. You will create tables or any other furnitures. That is your ideology. Based on your ideology you can create that one. Okay.